Model 2020 Fiat Ducato 35 Multijet e-spares or repairs, runs and drives crash damaged. Body white, Luton box. Mileage 149522. MOT the 7th of October 2025. Engine 2287 cc F1 AGL 4113 E6 DTEMP. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Condition summary: bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is below average. Rear load area is in below average condition but still usable. Features: 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2